Welcome to Grand Deck Getaway. You finally booked that long-awaited family cruise, the one you've been dreaming about for months. You can already taste the ocean breeze and hear the sound of your kids splashing in the pool. But the moment you step on board, reality hits. Your bags aren't delivered yet. The kids are restless. You're trying to figure out where everything is. And suddenly, that relaxing family vacation feels like a chaotic race you weren't trained for. That's exactly why today's video is going to be a total game changer for you. Welcome aboard, because we're diving into the top 10 family-friendly cruise hacks for stress-free trips. And trust me, once you know these insider tricks, you'll never cruise the same way again. Whether you're traveling with toddlers who need constant entertainment, tweens who get bored in 5 minutes, or teens who think they're too cool for family time, these hacks are designed to help every age group stay happy while you stay sane. I've pulled together real, experience-backed tips that seasoned family cruisers swear by, simple moves that save time, cut down frustration, keep your cabin organized, help you avoid long lines, and secretly give you more time to relax. So buckle up, because if you've ever felt overwhelmed planning a family vacation or worried that things might go sideways on board, this is your moment. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident, prepared, and genuinely excited for what's ahead. Let us dive into the cruise hacks that will take your family trip from stressful to smooth sailing in every possible way. 1. Pre-register kids for the clubs before boarding. One of the biggest game changers for families cruising with kids is getting them pre-registered for the onboard youth clubs before you even step foot on the ship. Most cruise lines allow parents to set everything up through their website or mobile app weeks in advance. And doing this saves you from wasting precious vacation time standing in long registration lines on embarkation day. Kids clubs often operate with age SPSP groups, so completing the paperwork early ensures your child is placed exactly where they belong, the kids their own age and with access to the right activities. Pre-registration also helps you review club schedules, special events, check-in, check-out procedures, so nothing catches you by surprise. It also lets you handle important safety notes, like listing allergies, medical needs, and authorized guardians. If you're sailing during peak vacation seasons, spring break, summer, or the holidays, it's especially helpful because these clubs can fill quickly. An early prep guarantees your child has a reserved spot for activities they'll love. The best part is how much easier this makes day one. While everyone else is scrambling to sign their kids up after lunch, your family is already exploring the ship, swimming, or indulging in your first onboard meal, stress-free. Your kids start forming friendships early, which makes the trip easier for both you and them. Pre-registering isn't just a time saver, it sets the tone for a smoother, happier family cruise from the moment you board. 2. Pack a first-hour survival bag. Your checked bags can take several hours to be delivered to your cabin, which means you might be stuck without essentials during the first couple of hours on board. That's why every family needs a well-prepped first-hour survival bag. This carry-on should include everything your family will want: immediate access to swimsuits if you plan to hit the pool right away, sunscreen for anyone eager to explore the outdoor decks, and maybe a pair of flip-flops to switch into as soon as you board. Kids get restless quickly, so pack small but effective boredom busters: a coloring book, fidget toy, tablet loaded with offline movies, or a favorite snack. Also include medications like motion sickness remedies or any daily prescriptions. Chargers and battery banks are a must because the Kids Club onboard app and booking systems depend on your phone staying powered. If you're traveling with toddlers, pack wipes, a change of clothes, and a spill-proof cup. A lightweight jacket is also smart because indoor spaces can be chilly. This bag ensures the first hours on board feel smooth instead of stressful. You're prepared. Your kids have what they need, and you're not stuck waiting for luggage to arrive before the vacation starts. With your survival bag ready, you can start enjoying your cruise the moment you step on board. 3. Book family-friendly cabins or hack your space cruise. Cabins can feel tight, especially when you're traveling with kids, but with the right plan, you can transform even a standard cabin into a comfortable, organized family base. Start by booking the right layout if your budget allows. Connected staterooms give older kids independence and parents privacy. Family balcony cabins, junior suites, or rooms with pull-down bunks offer extra space and more flexible sleeping arrangements. If upgrading isn't an option, cabin hacking is your best friend. Magnetic hooks are a lifesaver since cruise cabin walls are metal use them to hang hats, backpacks, jackets, and even wet swimwear. An over-the-door shoe organizer keeps toiletries, chargers, toys, and small items neatly accessible instead of scattered everywhere. A pop-up laundry hamper keeps dirty clothes contained so the cabin doesn't feel messy by day 2. If your kids go to bed earlier, a tension shower rod and a cheap curtain can create a quick privacy divider. Night lights are also crucial, especially for middle-of-the-night bathroom trips. Extra zip bags help store snacks or keep small toys organized. Smart cabin hacks not only create breathing room, but also reduce stress, prevent clutter chaos, and make the cabin feel like a well-organized mini-home for the entire trip. 4. Choose the right dining strategy for kids. Eating on a cruise should be fun and easy. But with kids, mealtime can turn chaotic fast unless you choose the right strategy. Many families find that early dining works best because children are less tired. The dining rooms are quieter, and the service tends to be faster. But if your family prefers flexibility, choose anytime dining, which allows you to eat whenever your kids are hungry, instead of sticking to a strict schedule. Consider letting younger kids eat at the buffet first, quick, customizable meals, and then enjoy a slower, more relaxing dinner for yourself in the main dining room. Most ships gladly bring simple kid meals quickly, so children don't get impatient. If your kids have food allergies, note them in your cruise account before sail day and remind your assigned servers they retrained to handle dietary needs with care. Don't forget to request fruit plates, off-menu items, or smaller portions if needed. Cruise kitchens are incredibly accommodating. One pro tip: check the dining schedule for theme nights or special family dinners. And finally, keep snacks handy. Kids often get hungry outside of dining hours, especially during shows or pool time. A smart dining plan keeps kids fed, happy, and meltdown-free all trip long. 5. Use the Cruise Line app to track kids and activities. In today's cruising world, the Cruise Line app is practically a digital lifesaver, especially for families. Once on board, the app becomes your schedule planner, communication tool, map, activity tracker, and dining reservation system all in one. Many ships even allow parents to message older kids directly through the app, giving everyone freedom without losing peace of mind. The activity schedule helps you plan your days around family-friendly events like character meet and greets, movie nights, pool competitions, scavenger hunts, and game shows. You can mark favorites and get reminders so you never miss something fun. Some apps also display the operating hours of kids' clubs, allowing you to check capacity or sign in remotely. On certain ships, the app even lets you see what your child is currently doing in the kids' club, or send a message to counselors if needed. For parents juggling multiple children of different ages, this digital organization saves time and keeps you sane. You also get real-time notifications for showtimes, weather updates, port information, and dining reservations. By fully using the cruise app, you minimize confusion, reduce wandering around looking for schedules, and maximize time spent relaxing or enjoying activities together as a family. 6. Take advantage of quiet zones and hidden family spaces. Every cruise ship has secret quiet zones or overlooked spaces that families rarely discover, but these hidden gems can be the key to a peaceful, stress-free vacation. Deck 4 or 5 on many ships often features a wide outdoor promenade with shaded seating and gentle ocean breezes. Perfect for pushing a stroller, calming a cranky toddler, or stepping away from the crowds. The library or card room can also be an excellent hideout for a midday reset with older kids who enjoy puzzles, card games, or simply decompressing between activities. Some ships have empty lounges in the morning, which make for ideal spaces for early rising kids to stretch their energy without disturbing sleeping neighbors. Look for observation lounges at the front of the ship. These are usually quiet, scenic, and perfect for family downtime, reading, or cooling off. Even the lesser-used upper decks can provide peaceful spots for families who need a break from busy pool areas. When you know where to escape during peak crowds like sea days or after big shows, you regain control of the day. These quiet zones are where you recharge, avoid overstimulation, and keep the family calm and happy throughout the trip. 7. Hack port days for maximum family ease. Port days can be some of the most exciting moments of the cruise, but also the most exhausting for families if not planned well. The key is choosing excursions that are kid-friendly, not overly long, and designed with comfort in mind. Look for stroller-friendly tours, beach breaks with shade, short-distance cultural tours, and adventure experiences appropriate for your kids' ages. Always pack a small port day bag with water, snacks, sunscreen, a towel, hats, and a portable fan because ports can get extremely hot. Try to avoid the first wave of crowds rushing off the ship. Leaving 15 to 20 minutes later can make the process much smoother. For families with little kids, consider returning to the ship early to enjoy the pools and slides while everyone else is still off in port. This can be a crowd-free, relaxing part of the day. If your kids don't handle heat or long walks well, choose excursions directly through the cruise line. They offer safer transportation, shorter wait times, and guaranteed return to ship timing. Whether you explore independently or through a tour, keep expectations flexible and prioritize comfort over trying to see everything. A well-planned port day makes the entire family happier. 8. Plan nap and reset times. Even for older kids, one of the biggest mistakes families make on cruises is trying to pack every moment with activities. Even older kids need downtime, and planning short reset periods throughout the day prevents the crankiness, overstimulation, and exhaustion that can lead to meltdowns or frustration later. For toddlers and younger children, return to your cabin or a quiet deck around midday for a proper nap. For older kids and teens, suggest an hour of personal downtime, reading, showering, watching a movie, or simply cooling off in the cabin. These breaks recharge their energy so they can fully enjoy evening shows, late-night events, or poolside activities without running out of steam. Parents also benefit from this reset time. It's a chance to freshen up, sip a quiet drink on the balcony, or simply enjoy a moment of peace. Cruises are filled with stimulation, loud music, bright lights, constant movement, and non-stop excitement. A structured break gives the brain space to relax. By adding planned downtime into your schedule, you eliminate stress, avoid burnout, and ensure your family stays balanced and happy throughout the entire trip. 9. Bring the right kid entertainment kit. Even with all the activities on board, kids occasionally need something familiar or portable to keep them entertained during meals, waits, or downtime. That's where a smart entertainment kit comes in. Start with small mess-free items like sticker books, magnetic puzzles, portable coloring pads, or miniature board games. For tech-savvy kids, bring a tablet loaded with offline movies, games, and shows. Wi-Fi at sea can be slow or expensive, so download content before leaving home. A pair of kid-sized headphones is essential for quiet spaces. For toddlers, simple toys like stacking cups, fidget toys, or a favorite stuffed animal add comfort and distraction. For pool days, inexpensive water toys or goggles keep kids busy for hours without costing onboard prices. Nightlights help make the cabin feel safe at bedtime, and reusable water bottles keep kids hydrated throughout the day. The goal is to avoid the I am bored moments that creep up when you least expect them. An entertainment kit gives you backups in any situation. Restaurants, long lines, port travel, or even bad weather. 10. Use laundry hacks to keep the cabin fresh. Cruise cabins get cluttered and messy fast when traveling with kids. So mastering a few laundry hacks can make a huge difference. Start with a pop-up laundry hamper to keep dirty clothes together instead of scattered across the floor. Pack detergent sheets or travel-sized detergent so you can hand-wash swimsuits, socks, and t-shirts in the bathroom sink. This keeps the family feeling fresh without needing the ship's laundry service. For cabins without good drying space, use magnetic hooks to hang a line or clip hangers to your balcony furniture, but never leave clothes unattended outside due to safety rules. Use resealable bags for wet items after pool time or beach excursions. A fabric refresher spray keeps the cabin smelling good between cleanings. If your ship has self-service laundry rooms, go at off-peak times. Late morning on sea days, or during dinner hours when machines are usually empty. Staying ahead of laundry keeps your cabin organized and prevents that chaotic explosion of clothes that happens on longer cruises. With smart laundry habits, your space stays tidy and stress-free. Well, my great audience, as we wrap up this list of the top 10 family-friendly cruise hacks for stress-free trips, I hope you're feeling more confident, more prepared, and definitely more excited for your next adventure at sea. Cruising with kids can be incredibly rewarding, and with the right strategies, it becomes a whole lot easier and a whole lot more fun. These hacks are designed to save you time, reduce stress, and help your family enjoy every moment from the first day on board to the final farewell. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise wisdom, and drop a comment below, sharing your own family cruise hacks. Thanks for watching, and here's to smooth sailing, happy kids, and unforgettable family memories on your next cruise vacation.